So this is the pump, and when you turn it on, it doesn't run. I'll show you. I'm going to turn it on. So it doesn't run. To make it run, you just need to. So now it's running. So I'll tell you what the fault is. So the fault is in capacitor. Took it up. I make it electrically safe. I'm taking this thing out, and I'm taking. Just make sure you don't touch the cable on the capacitor because there might be the current inside. So that one is out. So this one is out, and I'm going to put another one, good one. So this is the good one. So this goes in, and this goes in. So this is the good capacitor. And now I'm going to turn the pump back on. So this is the pump. So I'm going to turn back on, and it runs straight away. So once you turn it on, it's off. On. So when the capacitor is almost dead, then no, it's just not working. So another way to prove it, so I just took it out from the electric. When this thing is touched, it should spark. So it's doing nothing. So this goes to the bin. So this is another tip how to repair the pump. Thank you for watching. And another thing, when you work with any electrical appliances, uh, you know you should be confident and competent. Then only you can work with electrical appliances. And another, this video is only for training purpose.